Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Animals and Plant Tissue Structured Questions. You are welcome. All the answers are provided. Please don't forget to visit my YouTube channel, Mugabi Joshua, and please press that subscription button. These structured questions are similar to the ones set by UNEP, KCSE, GSE, IGCSE examination boards. You have limited time to recall the correct answer. Don't worry. The correct answer will be shown to you after you thinking very fast. I wish you the best of luck. Please don't forget to visit my YouTube channel, Mugabi Joshua, and please press that subscription button. Let us start our quiz. Question 1. Which are the different types of animal tissue? Connective tissues, muscular tissues, and nervous tissues. Question 2. Which tissue in animal cover the external surface of the body and internal free surface of many organs? Epithelial tissue. Question 3. In which type of tissue cells are arranged very close to each other and there is no blood vessel supplying nutriment to these cells? Epithelial tissue. Question 4. Epithelial tissue receives nourishment from underlying connective tissue. Question 5. Which animal tissue has the principal function of covering the lining of free surface? Epithelial tissue. Question 6. Skin, intestine, gland, fallopian tube, nasal passage, bronchioles, tracheal are examples of which type of tissue? Epithelial tissue. Question 7. Which type of animal tissue connect and binds different tissues or organs? Connective tissue. Question 8. Which tissue provide the structure framework and mechanical support to animal body? Connective tissue. Question 9. Which is the only tissue in animals which is found in form of fluid? Blood. Question 10. Which tissue in animals store energy in form of fat? Adipose tissue beneath the skin. Question 11. Which tissue plays in body defense, tissue repair, fat storage? Connective tissue. Question 12. Which tissue is also known as contractile tissue? Muscular tissue. Question 13. Muscles of the body are made up of which tissue? Muscular tissue. Question 14. Which are the three types of muscular tissue? Unstriped, stripped, and cardiac. Question 15. Which type of muscle tissue is found on the walls of those parts which do not move upon will? Unstriped muscular tissue. Question 16. Muscles which do not move upon will are also known as involuntary muscle. Question 17. Involuntary muscles are made up of which type of tissue? Unstriped muscular tissue. Question 18. Alimentary canal, rectum, ureter, blood vessels are examples of which type of muscles? involuntary muscles. Question 19. Which type of muscles control the motion of all those organs that move on their own? Unstriped muscles. Question 20. Which type of muscles are found in the body, in the parts of the body that move voluntarily? Striped muscles. Question 21. Normally, one or both the head of which type of muscle turn and connect to which bone or tendons? Striped muscles. Question 22. Which type of muscles are found only on the walls of the heart? Cardiac muscles. Question 23. Which type of muscles are responsible for the movement of heart throughout life without fail? Cardiac muscles. Question 24. How many muscles are there in human body? 639. Question 25. Which is the largest muscle in the human body? Gluteus maximus, muscle of the hip. Question 26. Which is the smallest muscle in the human body? Stapedius. Question 27. Which type of tissue is also known as sensitive tissue? Nervous tissue. Question 28. Nervous system of organism is made up of which tissue? Nervous tissue. Question 29. Nervous tissue is made up of which two specific cells? Nerve cell or neuron and neuroglia. Question 30. Which tissue controls all the voluntary and involuntary activities of the body? Nervous tissue. Question 31. The groups of cells of similar origin, structure and function is known as tissue. Question 32. Which are the types of plant tissue? Meristematic and permanent. Question 33. Which are the types of meristematic tissue in plants? Apical, lateral, intercalary. Question 34. Which are the types of permanent tissue in plant? Simple and complex. Question 35. Which are the types of simple tissue in plants? Parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma. Question 36. Which are the three types of complex tissue in plants? Xylem and phloem. Question 37. Growing regions of plants are known as meristem. Question 38. Which tissue in plant have the capability of cell division? Meristematic tissue. Question 39. What is the shape of meristematic tissue? Round, oval, or multi-sided? Question 40. Cell wall of which plant tissue is thin and cytoplasm is homogeneous? Meristematic tissue. Question 41. Cells of which plant tissue contain dense cytoplasm and single large nucleus? Meristematic tissue. Question 42. In which type of plant tissue there is lack of intercellular space between the cells? Meristematic tissue. Question 43. Which tissue are found in the root and stem apex, and the initial growth of plants take place due to these tissues? Apical meristems. Question 44. Due to the division, which tissue growth in the girth of roots and stems take place? Hence, it increases the width of the root and stem. Lateral meristem. Question 45. With the help of which tissue plants grow after their apex part has been eaten by animals? Intercalary meristem. Question 46. Which tissue in plants are made of those mature tissues that have lost their capacity of division and attained a definite form for various works? Permanent tissue. Question 47. Permanent tissues in plant which is made up of similar types of cells is known as simple tissue. Question 48. Permanent tissue in plant which is made of one or more types of cells is known as complex tissue. Question 49. Which tissue is usually called wood? Xylem. Question 50. Which are the two main functions of xylem? Conduction of water and minerals, and to provide mechanical consistency. Thank you for participating in animal and plant tissue structured question. Thank you very much. Now you can go to the next theme. All the answers will be provided. Please don't forget to visit my YouTube channel, Mugabi Joshua, and please press that subscription button.